Okay, hi everybody. This is a model that I worked on for a client in Chief Architect X4 and also Home Designer Pro 2012. It's an existing house, and the guy intends to take it and renovate the house and add on to it and so forth. And I'm just helping him with the model. So there's an overview of the thing. It's a nice old house, kind of interesting. Okay. Now, what I wanted to show you a little bit about was reference floors, because there's been some questions that have come up on the forum recently about reference floors. Like, this is the basement. See, there's a floor toggle, and we can go up one floor from the basement. Well, let's take a look at the basement, just as the basement. It's got a little bit of a useful, like, root cellar kind of part, and then there's the decking for the framing, and then the house and so forth. And then the next floor up is, see, I clicked on the floor toggle. Here's the first floor. And this kind of also, I guess, demonstrates the floor toggle, which was part of my purpose. That's just a piece of trim that I stretched out from one floor to the next, and it just shows on the floor on which it was created. Like this little wall here is an automatically generated attic wall. It fills in a little gap between the roof and the porch. So that's fine. And there's one little room that goes up, and it's underneath the top of the roof. We'll go up one floor, and it's just a tiny little room there. I mean, it's really tiny. But the guy's gonna use it, you know, so forth. Okay, so that's the house, and that demonstrates the floor toggle somewhat in this dollhouse camera view. The next thing you need to know probably about reference floors is that things that you see are controlled by display options. Now, in plan view, you've got a display options, and it's right here. There's the icon for it. So it says display options. And when you put your cursor over an icon, you get a tooltip. See the little pop-up cartoon window there? And also you'll get on most of these, you'll get a pop-up also in the taskbar. See down here in the lower left, when I put it over the cabinets, it says display cabinet tools or display floor tools. See, it's another little tip as to what that icon's for. Well, what we're going to look at today is this floor toggle, which I've demonstrated already a little bit. And then there's a secondary tool built into it, a second set of tools called reference floors. So I'm going to click on this number in the middle. And if you never click on that number, you would never see this interface, and it's useful. And see, this says the floor that we're on in plan view, and this says the one, if I was to click on the reference tools, what floor I would see. And then here's a display options for the reference floor tool. I'm going to left click on that. It's another set of layers. See, all the colors are red, and these check marks show what was going to show if I was to click on the reference display. So let's just look at the foundation from the first floor. I'll just click OK, and go over to this icon right here. It's on the toolbar that says View Tools. And of course, if you never drug it off, you'd never see the text there. And that's the icon there. We'll click on it, and then in red, you can see the walls of the foundation below. And if I was to use this tool here, Swap Floor Reference, see, I've gone to the foundation, and now I see highlighted in red the layers that are on the first floor. That's how it works. You can turn it on, turn it off. Also, from the main toolbar, you can go to Tools, Reference Floors, and then turn it on and off there. Reference Floors, Reference Display on, and then Tools, Reference Floors, Reference Display Options. There's this dialog here that has all the layers in there alphabetically, and you can now you can see that they're all locked, and that's just so you don't need to select them while in this layer set. But this just allows you to pick and choose what layers you want on and what layers you don't. Like I don't think I want roof planes on, and roof planes are currently checked. Well, unchecked. See, that's a roof plane line right there. If I uncheck that in the reference set, then in the reference tool, I won't see the roof planes anymore, just the walls. So whatever purpose you have, what you're trying to get done, then this tool, you can arrange it to do what you want to do. Now also in this, let's go up to the second floor. Now I'm going to click here, and I want to see the foundation from the second floor. Well, I'll just click here, foundation, current floor is the second floor, foundation, okay. Then you have to initialize, and then there's the basement from the second floor. So it gives you a lot of ability to line things up floor to floor and plan things floor to floor. And that's what I wanted to demonstrate in this tutorial. I hope it helps you. Thank you.